The Counseling Center is here when you want to talk. Here's how you can make an appointment. Our services are confidential. Also, your student health service fee covers your visit. That means you don't pay anything when you come in for an appointment. To schedule a first-time appointment, you can schedule an appointment at the Counseling Center website, or you can call us directly. Our number is 217-333-3704, and the Counseling Center is open weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., with some extended evening hours on Wednesdays and Thursdays. The Counseling Center is on the corner of 6th and John Streets. This is the building that is immediately west of the financial aid office. Once inside, the Counseling Center is on the second floor. Before your appointment, you'll need to fill out some paperwork, so please be on time. Once you meet with your counselor, the two of you will discuss what's best and whether you should return for a follow-up appointment. We're here when you need us. Call us to make an appointment, and if you need to talk to someone immediately on evenings or weekends, please call 217-359-4141.